Hello guys, today we are playing with him and we are going to the office over there and we're gonna go have
I've
some
never been
fun.
to the office. Fact, yeah, I've never been to the office. I'm not ready for that crazy guy that laughs.
Oh,
I've heard.
alright, now we have to buy our supplies.
I already bought
So,
mine. I bought a lot of broccoli.
okay. Alright, so we're gonna need this.
Yeah, I got a backpack.
Oh, I already got one. We're gonna need a pickaxe. I already got you one. A grappler and
Thank you. I didn't have enough to get a grappler. I'm not talking
whatever
about
the thing,
research gems.
stick.
I'm like in the token coins. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, let's go now. So we are going to the office and we are going to we're gonna try to get the machine to work and make something big, I guess. Or maybe even a galaxy. So let's go. Is the camera coming?
Ooh, I've never been in the office before. It's kind of scary.
Have you not? Are you like sort of new to this game?
No, I haven't played in 5 months. That's why I haven't played since like a month after Christmas.
Oh. Hi guys! Ow! Wait, my camera pressed the button.
The Karen bot, we just have to look at her.
It should. That's an elevator. Nope. We go this way. Dead.
You killed the Karen bot?
Oh, yep, I killed Jane.
Well, she looks like a Karen to me, so.
So grab all the supplies that you find in this place. We're definitely gonna need a key card.
We're robbing this place.
Yeah.
I found a key
Put your
card.
hands up.
I found a key
Wow.
card.
Okay, put it in your bag.
Okay.
Bingo. Here we go.
Chicken banana.
Don't you mean chicken jockey?
I guess so, yeah. My movie theater is crazy. And I actually brought an actual chicken.
What?
Yeah, I like chickens. So I brought an actual chicken to the movie.
My favorite animal is a
I might have
duck.
thrown it because I got too hyped, but okay.
My favorite animal is duck.
Yeah, we already got that card. We already got that card.
No,
I got that card in my backpack.
We need
My
multiple
backpack.
multiple things.
All the things is loaded up. My Karen.
Yo, once
Karen.
teleport grenade? Come on.
Hey, I got a line for jeans. For that girl. I got a line for her. Guess what?
What?
She's gonna say, see this purse? That means I'm first. And then we say, congrats for being first. I don't respect your sarcasm, and then tries to kill us.
You remember the time bombs? Oh wait, you weren't here for that.
Wait. For what? What time bombs?
There was an event for like time bombs, and they gave you like $2,000 every time you got them. There was and you just teleported somewhere random, and you had to go to the
Monkey! Monkey!
Where's my camera? Oh, my camera gone. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is.
This is how we do it.
Oh, is Karen bot back? Golden monkey statue. Quiver. Were you here for the sewers?
Yup.
Oh, it's changed a lot.
Yeah, it's changed a lot. I remember like first going into it. I mean, like some areas like change, like from left to right. I'm like, why is the sewers different?
When did you start playing the game? I started playing when the Angler came out.
I started playing Christmas. I started playing December 25th, 2024. Before the Angler came out, like the mining update. Come here, Karen bot. Where Karen bot? Come here. Come here. Come here. Get out!
Oh, the key card.
I got a key card.
Fireworks.
We're gonna go here. What?
I like recording. Wait, we're gonna need this key card.
I thought you said all the items from the place.
Yeah, but we need at least one key card.
Get the broccoli for me, please. I like being healthy, bruh. Get my broccoli, please. Please. Fine, I'll get it myself. Oh, you can get it. Okay, never mind. You're big now.
Bonk! Alright, let's go, let's go.
Okay. So what are we doing with all the rubber duckies? What are we gonna get if we throw them away?
Wait, why is the camera following you? Oh no, it's following me now. Is the yellow bar full?
Hold on, let me see. What yellow bar?
Over here. No. Well, I think it's... Oh, mine's already been tootie butt. I think it's only fair if I die.
That's scaring me.
Alright, I think we're gonna end the video here. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you, and you don't have to like and subscribe if you don't want to.